Okay, so the 4x4 high is working. We're going to turn it to the 4x4 low. And the 4x4 low is working. Stop here, we'll put it in the regular two-wheel now. I'm going to try the AC now. Also, I would like to mention that the title for this vehicle is exempt because we do not know the exact miles of the vehicle. As I am shifting in between each gear, I do not feel any jumping or any hesitations. And crossing. Does feel like it's blowing out cold. We'll get out and we'll make sure that the compressor is engaging though. We're also going to do a lights check. Okay, the headlights and the left turn signal is operating properly. And the tail lights and the left rear light, left turn signal is working properly. Let's go ahead, we'll put on the high beams and the right turn signal. So the high beams and the right turn signal is working. And the right turn signal is working properly in the back. Let me go ahead and show you the bed. I realize I forgot to show you that in our initial walk around. As you can see, it's the same, all chip guard, no scratches, no dents, And let's do the horn. Horn works. I'll show you the windows. They are manual windows. That works. Let's go to the other side. So the windows do work. Okay, well, that was the test drive for the Chevy truck. I hope you enjoyed.